Hello, dear children. So we had done with simple present tense and present continuous tense yesterday. In simple present tense, I had taught you that you need to use simply first form of the verb. Okay, as we are studying nothing but what am I teaching you? I am teaching you the tenses, and I had also shared the new term with you, which the tenses are also known as verb tenses, right? So that is the reason mainly you need to focus on the formation of the verbs, action words, right? So V1 is used, and with third person singular V1 plus S or ES is used. जैसे play को place कर दिया हमने यहाँ पे. Okay. So continuous tense is MR plus ING. This is how you can express the present continuation tasks, present continuation actions. Okay, the actions which are in continuous manner but in present, right? So apart from that, what is the next tense which we are going to cover now? Here it's present perfect tense. Have, has plus V3. Have या has रहेगा और साथ में third form of the verb. But why present perfect tense is used? If you can see here, present perfect tense is used to express something which is completed, express an action which is completed. It is used to express an action which is completed. But when is it completed? It can be completed either beginning, means at the recent past, अभी अभी जो action हुआ है present से related. Okay, that is what we call present perfect tense. So have plus V3 means हो चुका है, something which is completely done but in present. I have played, she has played. Okay, so this is how you call it present perfect tense, because it is perfectly done but it is related to present tense. And yes, some actions take place in the past and they are still continued in present, है ना? कुछ actions होते हैं जो past में काफ़ी पहले चालू हुए रहते हैं, है ना? जैसे 10 घंटे पहले, 12 घंटे पहले, 4 दिन पहले, बट अभी भी चल रहे होते हैं, राइट? सो सच actions are expressed through present perfect continuous tenses. I or you have been playing means I या you, we, they के साथ भी have भी नहीं लगता है, he she it के साथ ही has लगता है. Already I have explained you this. So been, use of the word been है, ये जो auxiliary been है, be was been, ये be का third form है. और ing expresses that the action is still continued. Past में कभी चालू हुआ और action अभी भी चल रहा है. For example, I'll give you more examples. Mother has been cooking since morning for the party. Okay, the father has been driving the car since 2 hours. Okay, so have has का आपको यूज़ सच सही तरीके से आना चाहिए. ही शी इट और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ ही हैज़ जाएगा. एंड विथ हैव इज़ यूज विथ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड आई वी यू दे जो उनके रिप्लेसमेंट्स है ना? आई और यू भी सिंगुलर होते हैं बट वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नहीं है. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर ही शी इट होते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न हैज़ इज मेंट ओनली फॉर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. ओके, and what is third person singular? It is already taught by me during the extra classes, means during the revision in the school. Fine. So present perfect tense is expressed to show an action which is continuous in manner. Okay, which is continuous in manner but started in the past, but वो अभी भी चल रहा है, इस तरह से आप उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हो. फाइन. नाउ लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द आर नेक्स्ट सेकेंड टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस हमारे हो गए, और आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस का होमवर्क क्या रहेगा? आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में यू आर सपोज टू मेक 5 correct examples, 5 correct examples of present perfect tense also and present perfect continuous tense also. And don't forget to use the correct auxiliaries. Okay, have और has का सही जगह पे यूज़ करना ज़रूर है आप लोगों को. डोंट पुट हैज़ विथ आई वी यू दे. आई वी यू दे के साथ हैज़ नहीं लगाना है. ओके, यू विल यूज़ द हैज़ विथ ही शी इट एंड देयर रिप्लेसमेंट्स. जैसे किसी का नाम है, ही शी कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द नेम ऑफ अ बॉय और अ गर्ल. तो नेम ऑफ अ बॉय और अ गर्ल, मैन और वुमेन, उनके सिंगुलर नेम्स जो होते हैं उसके साथ हैज़ जा सकता है. ओके, सो जैसे she can be replaced by my mother. My mother has been cooking, or my mother has done her work. इस तरह से आप sentences बना सकते हो. Fine. So let's move towards past tense today. Past tense. Where are we here? As you can see, past tense also has 4 different types. Can you see here? Past tense. Past indefinite tense. Indefinite means what? Indefinite means something which is not sure we are about. Okay, we are not so sure about it. Indefinite. But that is also known as simple tense. Indefinite tenses are also known as simple tense. It gives you general idea about something. But some an action which happened in the past. Obviously past tense है तो simple action ही होता है. And the best part of past tense is इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ past simple past में. Okay. Best part of the simple past is क्या है उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ V2 लगता है. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में क्या लगता है? V2. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस it will have was or were plus ing. Past perfect will have had plus V3. Okay, had plus V3. And past perfect continuous had been plus V3. Apart from that, past perfect tense, something, an action happened in the past and completely done in the past. So action का completeness जो होता है, action का जो completeness होता है वो perfect tenses से show किया जाता है. So past perfect tense had plus V3 will be used here. And already I had given you the flow chart if you remember in my first lecture. And past perfect continuous tense is all about an action took place in the past, continued for some time in the past, and ended in the past itself. Such action is known as past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let's talk about past indefinite tense. As I've already told you, indefinite tenses are also known as simple tenses. So indefinite past tense is nothing but simple past tense. Okay, use of V2. As you can see, played means what is second form of the verb play? It is played. Okay, and here past continuous tense was प्लस वर. was या फिर वर दोनों में से एक यूज़ करो. जैसे यू वर, आई वर होगा क्या? नहीं. दे वर, वी वर, यू वर. बट इट इज़ ऑलवेज ही शी इट वॉज आई वॉज बिकॉज इट नीड्स सिंगुलर वर्ब एंड यू वी दे नीड्स प्लूरल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. सो प्लूरल वर होता है, वॉज का प्लूरल वर होता है. ओके, प्लेइंग मीन्स V1 को ing लगाना है. प्लेइंग, I was playing, he, she was playing, you were playing. So this is simply past. An action took place in the past and continued. Okay, in continuous manner. Past tense में हुआ, लेकिन कब चालू हुआ, कब ख़त्म हुआ, क्या हुआ, डिटेल में नहीं बताते. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑक्सिलरी प्लस ing लगता है. बट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंसेस में कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा अलग होता है. ओके, इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट. But it is quite simple. Past continuous tense is quite simple because it simply has was were दोनों में से एक और प्लस ing. Okay, so now it's time for past perfect tense. Use of had plus V3 as you can see here. Had plus V3. Had played, had played. Okay, ये verb tenses है ना बेटा. That is the reason it needs only and only just third form of the verb along with an auxiliary called as had. We call it had plus V3. Auxiliary has ended here. यहाँ तक जो ऑक्सिलरी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो हैव और हैज़ का पास्ट है. हैव और हैज़ का पास्ट क्या होता है? हैड होता है. और हैड में कौन सा मेन वर्ब लगता है? मेन वर्ब कौन सा लगता है इसमें? थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब लगता है. So that is the reason you need to know all four forms of the verbs. ing is also another form of the verb. Okay, so past perfect tense is also done. And past के हमने 3 types समझे आज. For the sake of revision, ये बहुत simple से examples है. Okay, there are some deep examples also. ऐसे कुछ perfect tenses में थोड़े technical examples भी होते हैं which I'll teach you. Don't worry. But ये basic knowledge के लिए आपको इतना आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I'll just quickly revise it for you. Simple past tense will only need V2. Past continuous will need was, were plus ing. And past perfect tense will need had plus V3. Yes, आप लोगों को इसके भी 5 एग्जाम्पल्स बनाने हैं. थैंक यू, टेक केयर.